Good morning, friends. I woke up here at Lake Bob Sandlin State Park, and I must say it was a lovely evening. Literally nobody came by other than one guy last night drove through. I think it was a park host guy. And then this morning, a park host guy drove by and waved. Other than that, nobody's even down here except for one other camper. And yeah, they slept in their car last night, but I think they're having fun. So yeah, this is, it's got a lot of potential. This could be the Lollapalooza meeting spot for 2020. I don't know. It's definitely a contender. I'm going to go meet up with some friends at Atlanta State Park. I've never been there before either, so this should be a fun day. Come along with me.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Entering Atlanta State Park. Aw, they've got it all fixed up too. How cute. Well, that was an easy breezy check-in at Atlanta State Park. I did have to park the car and go in, but that's okay. All right, let's go check this place out. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. These pine trees are awesome. I am in campsite 15. She said that was one of her very favorite campsites in the park. So we'll see what it looks like. Man, it's pretty here. Love it, love it. Well, I don't know where 15 is, but I'm gonna go down here to the restroom real quick. So the restrooms are less than memorable. Cold in there, no hot water. Washed my hands in cold. Oh well. All right, where's campsite 15? Is that camping chick? Why, it is that camping chick. So I met up with Rhonda and Billy Strong of Strong's Adventures and Leanna, that camping chick, and we had so much fun. I didn't do a lot of filming. A time or two, though, my camera did come out, so I will share those shots with you. What's your dog's name, Billy?
My dog's name is Lola.
You got to be kidding.
Nope, she's lost on land too.
Are you lost on land again also?
She's lost on Paul.
Lost on paws?
And you lost on Paul's.
You're cute.
Daddy, let me go.
How long have you had her?
She's about a year and a half old.
You're just a year and a half old.
So
You're still a
cute.
baby.
Cute.
Yes, you are.
The sun came out, but it's still a little chilly out on the bike, so I decided to go ahead and put on my hat and stuff. What a gorgeous place. This is Lake Patman Wright or something like that, and it is just gorgeous. Well, Billy was telling me that it flooded a couple years ago really bad, and it kind of tore up part of the park, but yeah, this is fabulous. Gorgeous. All right, this is Billy's first time on the e-bike. Don't run over the small children. Woo! Hey, he does that like he did it before. Now let's listen for the scream. Ready? I thought you were doing the loop.
I hope Rhonda gets a good Christmas bonus, because Santa needs to come see Billy.
So, what we were saying, is it worth it?
It is worth it.
It is worth it.
This is awesome.
Go for a ride. It's cold, but...
It's not cold. This is cool.
Yeah, Rhonda's gonna have to get him one. Sorry, Rhonda.
I don't think I can load this in your van.
It'll fit in your truck though, right?
And the ears are back. She's got one ear up so she can hear us talk about her.
I'm pretty sure that is the saddest thing I've ever seen. What are you putting in my dinner?
Carrots.
Oh
Because
boy.
everybody loves... Oh, wait, hang on.
Didn't see it.
Are you a carrot flicker? Can you make that where the carrots aren't touching mine, please?
I will make it where the carrots aren't touching your portion of this meal, yes.
Thank you. You're the best.
Corner section.
It's a carrot in the wild. It escaped.
Lola will eat anything.
Hey, Billy. Duck. Oh. I almost landed it in your hoodie.
That's okay.
Well, good morning, friends. It's Sunday morning. I had such a blast last night hanging out with Billy and Rhonda Strong. If you guys aren't familiar with Strong's Adventures, I highly recommend their channel. It's awesome. Very well done. They just put a video out about this place where we are at Atlanta State Park and their Christmas decorations that they had. Man, that was cool. Vicki and I were supposed to come out and join them for that, and life got in the way and we weren't able to make it, but I'm glad they put that video out so we could live vicariously. So I'm going to put a link to that. I want you to check it out. Awesome video. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and drive through this state park a little bit and show you around, and then we're going to head on down the road. Thanks, Strong's Adventures. Y'all are the best. So much fun. Very, very pretty state park, y'all. If you ever get a chance, check out Atlanta State Park. There's lots of hiking trails and stuff. Very nice. Very cute how they have this set up with the horseshoe thing in the middle. Little campsites all around this wheel. Little wagon wheel, they call it. Very cool. Yeah, I wish this wasn't so far from my house. I would come here way more often. I definitely will be back. Man, I think I lost my bike. Hey, Billy, you want to ride my bike, I said? What was I thinking?